This pudding is impossible to go wrong. It does not go in the oven and is ready in a few minutes. For this recipe, let's start here by adding a cup of sugar to a pan, put it on high heat, and stir it very well. When it's like that, reduce to medium heat. Now for the low fire and in this way to stir until all the sugar dissolves. Now over low heat we are going to add half a cup of water, and we are going to stir very well until all the sugar dissolves and it looks like this here. At the right point of our syrup. Now let's add it in a shape. And book. In a blender, add 395 grams of condensed milk, 400 grams of cream, 200 ml of milk. And we're going to hit it really well. And guys, this pudding looks amazing and it's super easy to make, really practical. I'm sure everyone will love it. Now I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of powdered milk, beat a little more. In another container add 12 grams of unflavored gelatin, 5 spoons of water, and we're going to move very well. When it's like that, just take it to the microwave for 15 seconds. And add to our blender. Beat just for 2 more minutes. And that's it guys, now just add our shape. I'm using a spoon here to be very careful with our syrup. Now just take it in the fridge until it's signed. And that's it, our pudding has already set. Now it's just unmolding, and look how beautiful it turned out guys. It was very nice and very tasty. So if you liked it already share, and see you next time.